We would like to teach you how to do the resume by PowerPoint. Use the PowerPoint to do the resume. It is more easy and more beautiful than traditional method. Please subscribe to me. I will to do a more beautiful and creative job for you. Okay, we open the PowerPoint software at first, and then we select it to the band presentation. Open the new file. Then we select it to the design column, and then go to the sliding side. Selecting the custom slide and go to the sliding side for A4 size and select the portrait and go to the maximized. Okay, we are open the A4 size for the new page. We are start to do the resume. We are go back to home and selecting the rectangle. We outline the rectangle and change the color to the back by the shape fill. And then we are do again to selecting the rectangle. Also change the color to the back by shape fill and outline to change to the white color. And then we select the text box to type the pupil the name Peter Chan. And then we are change the size of the word and change the color of the word too. Right now we have to do the title of the resume, the sales manager. We type the sales manager selected by the text box. It's also to change the color of the word and size of the word. Okay, right now we have typed the personal information. Also used by the text box. And we have typed the education. Okay, the next step we are right to the working experience. Actually, we are also selecting the text box and type the content of the resume. After finish the subtitle, we are also to going to selecting rectangle to make the outline and change the color to the green color. We make sure the shape outline is a low color. Okay, we can send back of the green rectangle. Right now, we to do the smaller rectangle and then make the rectangle copy. We copy the rectangle to the education, working experience, and size. We are carefully to copy the small rectangle to paste to the education, working experience, and skill. Okay, we are doing again to selecting the text box and type of the content of the resume. We are type all information, sex, age, address. When we are typing, we are carefully to focus on the space and the space area. For example, for the sex, age, and address, we are let the suitable space for each item. Okay, we are start again to selecting the text box and then type the education information also. When we are typing the education information, we need to take care the less suitable space, each column and each column. It is a very exactly similar to traditional typing. Let the suitable space and carefully to check the spelling also. Actually, use the PowerPoint to do the resume. It is a very simple way to do the beautiful and personal resume. You can just learn to the rectangle outline and then change the color, how to edit the word change the size and the color also. You will get a very beautiful and personal resume. You just select the text box and fill up the working experience detail. It is like the before. Very carefully to type each word and let the suitable space for each column. So it is very easy to do the finish the PowerPoint resume. And this resume lesson, we just only teach you how to open A4 size for the resume. And then we selecting the rectangle outline, how to outline the rectangle and fill up the color. And finally, to teach you how to edit the text box, to edit the suitable word, change the size of the word, change the size of the word of the color, and then to finish your beautiful resume. In the next lesson, we will teach you how to edit the picture in the PowerPoint in your resume, how to fit your personal picture in the PowerPoint. It is a more professional the resume.